Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Quotex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in quotex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Quotex website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and password or your social accounts to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you haven't already verified your account, click on the account option at the left side. This will then take you into your account settings page. Now first verify your personal data by entering your first and your last name and your date of birth. You can also choose your desired nickname that you wish or your profile. There's also an option to upload a profile picture, which you can do so if you want. Then click on the save button and now you will be asked to upload your verification document. This will include your passport, your driving license, or your national identity card. Click on the upload documents button and make sure that you have these documents ready at hand. Now choose whether you are a US resident or not. Then click on continue and you will be asked to choose your document type. After selecting the document type, you will be allowed to upload this right away. Just upload the copy of your document and click on the next button, and you will need to make sure that all of the characters and text within this document are clearly visible. Once you submit this document, your account will be submitted for verification, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will get the result of your verification. And there you have it. That is how you can verify your account on Quotex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.